Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ibeth, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of organizing kind of to reset the year. I've actually started a few days ago or weeks ago because it's actually like mid-January now, but I hadn't uploaded in respect to the fires happening here in California. Now, I do live in California, but I'm far away from the fires, which I'm very lucky. But I didn't feel like it was fair for me to post home-related content when a lot of people were losing their homes. With that being said, I do donate to every cause that I can, and which I highly encourage you do if you can. If you cannot, that's completely okay and understandable. So with that, I also do need to continue to work. I don't make a lot on YouTube, but I do make something which actually helps me also contribute to these kinds of things. If you're in the area, I know that there's actually places where they're accepting donations like clothing. I will link everything down in the description box for you guys so you can check them out. And as always, you guys, I appreciate you very much. Let's go ahead and get started. In actuality, I wanted to start off the year with a clean slate, organized, free of clutter. I'm slowly working my way through our house, decluttering room by room, because I find myself to be less stressed when my home is clean. Having a beautiful home isn't only about the decor, but as a clean, tidy space. This year, I really want to work on staying more organized and also be more intentional with my time because I've recently realized how quickly time flies. We have plenty of time during the day to do the things that we need to do. We just need to time block. I actually feel like I get more done when I do it that way. I've recently purchased a planner that has time slots, and it has really helped me stay organized, especially with my content planning. I felt like there was no planner out there that had specific notes or sections that I needed for my content planning, and I really needed that because I always get stressed or overstimulated because of all the things that I need to do. I also purchased a chores notepad that I can quickly glance at and strictly use for important chores that actually need to be done almost daily. And I like the fact that it's actually just for chores and I can hang it up on my fridge and just be specifically for that and be easy to look at or to remind myself that I actually have to get these things done. All right, guys, I'm going to organize my fridge, but before I show you my fridge, please do not judge me. I am very bad at keeping my fridge organized, but I'm hoping that with the organizers that I bought, it'll help me, you know, maintain a little organized. Anyways, I wanted to share some things with you guys because I found some really good things that I'm really excited about. Target dollar spot always has good things. Sometimes they're not worth it, and I've talked about that before, but these I really do think they are. First thing I got is an egg holder. I already have one, but the one that I have is a 14 egg container, which I don't understand why they would make 14 egg container. It's either 12 or 24 or 18. I understand 18, but 14 really doesn't make any sense. So I picked one up from the Target dollar spot. This was $3, which is actually really nice. They typically go for like $5 depending on where you get them from. I also picked up this little shelf, which I don't know if you can tell, but this part right here, you basically clamp it into the shelf that your fridge already has, and then it has a little drawer, which is so neat. I'm gonna use this for like the sandwich cheeses. Super cute, and $3. So if you can, I would highly suggest that. That's really good, I think, in my opinion. Before you go to Amazon, if you have a Burlington near you, go. I've recently rediscovered it. I hadn't been there in years, but I went the other day and I found so many good things at really good prices. Everything that I found was starting $2.99 up to $7.99, which is not that bad, depending on what it is. I wanted to get a Lazy Susan for the fridge to store, you know, like the dressings. That way I have easy access to them, which was $4.99 for that one. You guys, I've seen them at Target for like $8. So yeah, I also got this one. I think this one was also $4.99. This is going to be specifically for Noah's little milk organic. I also ended up getting this big drawer, or this big, not drawer, this big container, $4.99 also, which I've seen everywhere for like $7. Even more expensive in Amazon. It also came with dividers, so if you need them, which, you know, sometimes they can help. I think this was the best find because I've been looking for this for a while, and I'm so shocked that I found it at Burlington for $8 because, you guys, I've seen something like this for $20 on Amazon. Anyway, this is the drawer that I wanted. It is called a deli. What is it called? It's called Cold Cuts Organizer. So for your deli, best part is that it's a drawer because I wanted it to be a drawer. I'm so stoked that I found this. And this was the most expensive, which was $7.99, which is still not too bad. And I'm so excited. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash them, and we're gonna clean out the fridge. If you don't have access to Burlington, I will link all the Amazon options. I also always try to link the one with the most positive reviews and an affordable option also.